हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई ज्योति वेलकम यू ऑल ऑन डू अ डाई फॉर स्टडी चैनल। आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं क्लास 8th हनी ड्यू बुक से चैप्टर नंबर 2 सुनामी के क्वेश्चन आंसर। इससे पहले हम उसके एक्सप्लेनेशन के वीडियोस डाल चुके हैं, वो 3 पार्ट्स में हैं। अगर आपने वो नहीं देखे होंगे तो आपको उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, आप वहाँ से जा के देख सकते हैं। आइए इसको देख लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज हेयर। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हेयर, से वेदर द फॉलोइंग आर ट्रू और फॉल्स। Ignatius lost his wife, 2 children, and his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. This is a true statement. Sanjeev made it to the safety after tsunami. This is a false statement because Sanjeev was swept away when he jumped into the water to rescue the wife of the guest house cook. Now sentence number 3. Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter. This is also a false statement because Meghna saw relief helicopter overhead, but they did not see her. She was brought to the shore by a wave. Question number 4. Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. This is a true statement. Her mother and aunts were washed away with the tree that they were holding on to. This is a true statement. Next, comprehension check questions. Why did Tilly's family come to Thailand? Tilly's family came to Thailand to celebrate Christmas. Next question. Why were the warning sign that both Tilly and her mother saw? Both Tilly and her mother saw the sea rising and swelling up. Next question. Do you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? Answer is here. Tilly's mother could not understand what was happening and only realized that it was serious when Tilly got frightened and mentioned what a tsunami was. Next question is here. Where did Tilly see the sea behaving in the same strange fashion? Tilly had seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion in a video of tsunami shown in her geography class, which had hit the Hawaii island in 1946. Next question is here. Where did the Smith family and the others on the beach go to escape from the tsunami? The Smith family and others on the beach took refuge on the 3rd floor of a hotel. Next question is here. How do you think her geography teacher felt when he heard about what Tilly had done in Phuket? Tilly's geography teacher must have felt proud of her as she had made use of what she had learned in the class to help save so many lives. Again, here are comprehension check questions. In the tsunami, 1,50,000 people died. How many animals died? Although no data is given in the story, but it says that number of dead animals was far less compared to human casualties. Next question is here. How many people and animals died in Yala National Park? 60 visitors and only 2 water buffaloes died at Yala National Park. Next question. What do people say about the elephants of Yala National Park? The people at Yala National Park had seen 3 elephants running away from the Patanangala beach about an hour before the tsunami hit. What did the dogs in Gale do? The dogs refused to go for their daily run on the beach. Discuss the following question in class, then write your own answers. When he felt the earthquake, do you think Ignatius immediately walked about a tsunami? Give reasons of your answer. Which sentence in the text tells you that the Ignatius family did not have any time to discuss and plan their course of action after the tsunami struck? Answer is here. No, When he felt the earthquake, Ignatius did not think about the tsunami. He thought only about the tremors. Tremors कहते हैं भूकंप के झटकों को. That was why he took his television off the table and put it on the ground. In fact, the Ignatius family did not have any time to discuss and plan their course of action after tsunami struck. That was why there was only chaos and confusion. The following tells it clearly. In the chaos and confusion, two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in opposite directions. Next question, fill in the blanks. Here are the answers. The words that would describe Sanjeev are brave, heroic, and selfless. I don't know if Sanjeev was cheerful, ambitious, or humorous. I think that he was very brave, heroic, and selfless. Sanjeev was not heartless, brash, or careless. Next question is here. How are Meghna and Alma's stories similar? Both Meghna's and Alam's families were washed away. Both of them kept floating in the sea for days. Meghna floated in the sea for 2 days, holding on a wooden door. She was brought to the seashore by a wave. Similarly, Alma's, here is wrong spelling, Almas. Almas climbed on to a log of wood and fainted. She woke up in a hospital. Both the girls were traumatized after the incident. While Meghna was seen walking on the seashore in days, Almas does not talk about the incident to anyone. Next question is here. What are the different ways in which Tilly's parents could have reacted to her behavior? What would you have done if you were in their place? Answer is here. Not taking her seriously, Tilly's parents could have tried to calm her down, thinking that she had been frightened by something. As a result, they could have been washed away by the tsunami waves. If I were in their place, I too would have listened to her and realized that there was a danger approaching. Consequently, I too would have rushed away from the beach. Next question is here. If Tilly's award was to be shared, who do you think she should share it with? Her parents or her geography teacher? If Tilly's award was to be shared, she should share it with her geography teacher who made her aware of tsunami in the first place. It was this awareness that helped her save so many lives. What are the two different ideas about why so few animals were killed in the tsunami? Which idea do you find more believable? The first idea is that the animals have a sixth sense. They know when the earth is going to shake. The second idea is animals have a more acute sense of hearing. This helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. In this way, they sense the coming disaster much before the human beings, so they run away to safer places. To me, the first idea seems more believable. It is so because many animals get an idea of coming rains. No, rain has nothing to do with the sense of hearing. It is more sensible to think that nature has provided them some sixth sense which help them get over the crisis.